The highest common factor, HCF, of 108 and a number x is 12, and the lowest common multiple of an LCM of 108 and x is 432. Find the value of x. Well, make sure that you know how to find the HCF and LCM, even if you knew the two numbers before attempting to look at this video. Right, so split 108, 12 and 432 into prime factors. So we do that by division. The lowest prime number that goes into 108 is 2. So 2 goes into 108 54 times. And then we do the same again by 2. 2's into 55 go 2, remainder 1. 2's into 14 go 7. Right, 2 no longer goes in, so 3 is the next prime number. 3's into 27 is 9. 3's into 9 is 3, and 3's into 3 is 1. So, and then 12, 2 goes into that 6 times, 2 goes into 6 3 times, and then 3 goes into 3 1 time. Finally, 432, 2 goes into 432, 2 into 4, 2, 3, 1, remainder 1, sorry, so that gives me 216. And then 2 goes into 2, 1, 2's into 0, don't go, 2's into 16 is 108. So we'll stop there because we've got to the same as this. So it's going to be 2 times 2 plus all of these. Right, we can just stop there. Right, writing out 108, we got 108, leaving a bit of space at the top because we know we're going to have an extra 2's here. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Leaving x a space for my number, I know the HCF 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. So in x, because they must be common in both, in x we must have a 2 times 2 times 3, because that's what we do, we pair them up. Right. For the LCM of 432, we're going to have 2 times 2 from here, and then all of these. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 for the number 432. Right, we can pair up these with these. Sorry, first of all, pair up the highest common factor, these numbers here. We can eliminate those. We also can eliminate 3 times 3, because that appears here and here. So we're left with a 2 times 2. There's no extra 2 times 2 that was not accounted for. So that 2 times 2 must go down here as the extra numbers that we needed to add in to get x. So if we think about this, we find the HCF by finding pairs, factor pairs. And then to find the LCM, we write down the HCF and then write down what is left, i.e. a 2 times 2 from here and a 3 times 3 from here. So it's sort of working backwards. So the value of x will be 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 2, which gives me 48. Okay, so this has been a video to help show you how to find a missing number that you're given the HCF for and the LCM for, combined with another number. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.